This year has been difficult,
Very tough,
full of challenges.
a little bit scary,
pretty rough.
and very hard for every one of us.
everything was different.
challenging.
And also inspiring. This is my year of health. Since April I lost 50 kilos. Trust me, it was very, very difficult for a person who ate the fast food every day. I made my dreams come true about horse riding. This is the Urok, my favorite horse. I'm doing a lot of sport. I want to do everything. I'm happy, I'm smiling all the time.
I realized that the most important thing is solidarity. I'm founder of charity organization Basketball for Happiness, and we're trying to help poor kids from Serbia and from Balkans. We participated in buying respirator for Serbian clinics.
At the beginning of the pandemic, I did really nothing with my body and with my spirit. I decided to do something. It's my morning running. Till today, day after day, I'm running. I finished my 7 kilometer. I feel very good, very healthy, and very happy.
Since I'm illusionist, I use that extra time to stage up my new magic performance. After the gap of more than 5 years, the new magic show saw the light. I'm looking forward to perform it, amaze people, and let them believe in magic once again.
Me and my fiancé, we met here at the company. It was love at first sight. We planned to have our wedding and we had no idea when we would have the chance. But finally we did it, and it was one of the most amazing days of my life.
On August 21, we got married.
I'm a married man from September.
It was wonderful. I thought I cannot let 2020 to ruin my son's life. Together with Alexander, I built a really nice treehouse, and I hope I changed 2020 into some nice experience for him.
I was the lucky one who had possibility to move to my country house. It brought the healthy lifestyle into my life. I had amazing possibility to spend a lot of time with my daughter. These life conditions helped me not to feel so bad about the lockdown.
I moved to Ireland in January, and as soon as I did, the Swiss government called back its citizens because the corona situation was getting worse. Springer Axel Springer welcomed me back and helped me go back to school. On top of that, I moved in with my boyfriend and we're having the time of our lives.
I hope that 2021 will be good for you.
Be brave to dream.
For everybody, don't be too scared.
There is always hope.
Never is too late to change your life.